Welcome back to the Trick Shift Garage. So in this video, I just want to kind of give you guys an update overall on the channel and what's going on, at least as far as the Altima is concerned, because I know you guys noticed that I haven't really done an Altima video in a while, but main reason being, everything seems to be pretty okay with it. Like, nothing's broke really, everything's working smoothly, the engine's running fine, the transmission's good. So I'm like, well, there's nothing really to fix right at the moment. So I figured I'd reach out to you guys out there and ask, what should I do next with Altima? I was thinking about doing a radiator replacement because it's the original radiator, and like I said, it's got like 200,000 miles. I was thinking about replacing the shocks on all four wheels because they're the original too. I mean, nothing's really wrong with it. There's a little bit of squat in the back. If you look at the front compared to the back, it squats a little bit in the back, but it's not too bad. I was also thinking about upgrading these mufflers and actually putting some actual like exhaust tips on them, because it's just been just a pipe out the back at this point. So, but another thing was cleaning the throttle body. I do notice that I have developed somewhat of a steering fluid leak in my reservoir. I think it's just this tube that needs to be replaced. I clean up my battery terminal. I mean, it's all just small things at this point. Like, the exhaust manifold has been good to me. The exhaust is fine. The valve cover is fine. The oil cooler that I replaced a couple months ago is working well. No leaks. I'm still working on finding the CVT fluid housing, the cooler housing gasket. I have no luck yet on the internet, but I think what I'm gonna do is just go to like a Nissan service center and then just see if they can look it up for me, because I can't find it out what it is. But yeah, like, I just wanted to give you guys an update and just let you know, like, the Altima's still here. It's working fine. I'm still driving it, you know, between this and the Silverado. I'm gonna have more videos on the Silverado. Right now I'm just waiting on a new K&N filter because the old one actually had a couple holes in it, so that should be in soon. I can do a video on that. If you guys have any ideas for the Silverado too, let me know on that. But my main project I've been working on for most of the summer is this Scion over here. And I'll show you what I'm doing real quick over here. I'm replacing the timing chain on this, okay? Take off the camshaft sprockets, the crankshaft, everything. I just got the timing cover on kind of right now just to keep it tacked in, but it's all off. I've been working on that because my brother, like, what happened with it was the timing chain tensioner failed. So the chain got loose, and one morning he went to start it up and it just wouldn't start anymore, which is because the chain was loose. It hopped off the camshaft sprocket and then lost its timing, so it just won't start no more because the intake cam won't actually rotate anymore. So we're going to replace everything on that, like I said. So that's what I've been working on mostly, and I'm trying to start pumping those videos out. Got a little bit behind on there, but I just want to give you a heads up on that and just let you know I'm still here, still pumping videos out, you know. Thanks for watching again, and like I said, leave a comment below on any video ideas you guys might have. And I mean, I'm open to whatever you guys want to see, so maybe I'll do like a survey or something later once we got enough good ideas, and we'll just have a little vote on what I should do next. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos, and we'll see you on the next one. He's like, leave me alone.